Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of brown mascaras, perfect for those who want a softer, more natural look compared to classic black. Brown mascara is ideal for everyday wear, enhancing your lashes while complementing a variety of makeup looks. We've rounded up the top 5 best brown mascaras, each offering unique features and benefits. So, let's explore these top picks and find out which one is the best fit for your beauty routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline Lash Sensational Brown. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Brown Mascara is a popular choice for those seeking a natural yet noticeable enhancement to their lashes. Known for its ability to deliver length and definition, this mascara provides a beautiful brown tint that complements a wide range of eye colors. Key features: Lash Sensational Brown features a curved brush with multiple bristle lengths, designed to fan out and separate each lash for a full and voluminous effect. The formula is enriched with conditioning agents that help to nourish lashes while enhancing their length and separation. Benefits and usage: ideal for creating a defined and elongated lash look, this mascara is perfect for daily wear. Apply from root to tip, wiggling the brush to ensure even coverage and separation. It's great for achieving a soft yet impactful look that's suitable for both office and casual settings. Usability: the mascara's brush design ensures precise application and minimizes clumping. Its buildable formula allows you to layer it for added volume without sacrificing the clean, natural finish. It's easy to use and perfect for those who want a subtle enhancement to their lashes. Durability: Lash Sensational Brown holds up well throughout the day, providing consistent length and definition without smudging or flaking. The formula is also resistant to moisture, making it a reliable choice for various weather conditions. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. In the second spot, we have L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Brown. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Brown Mascara is renowned for its ability to deliver intense volume and length with a rich brown hue. This mascara is a favorite among those seeking bold lashes with a softer, more natural finish. Key features: Lash Paradise Brown features a plush, soft brush designed to coat each lash evenly, enhancing both volume and length. The formula includes a blend of nourishing oils and volumizing agents that help to build and define lashes without clumping. Benefits and usage: perfect for achieving a dramatic yet natural look, this mascara offers impressive volume and length with a single coat. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and sweeping the brush upward for a fuller, more defined effect. It's suitable for both day and night wear. Usability: the mascara's soft brush design ensures smooth application and even coverage. The buildable formula allows you to layer it for additional volume while maintaining a clean finish. It's easy to use and ideal for those who want to make a statement with their lashes. Durability: known for its staying power, Lash Paradise Brown maintains its volume and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes stay bold and defined. Removal is simple with a gentle makeup remover, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Coming in at number 3 is the Benefit They're Real Brown. The Benefit They're Real Brown Mascara is celebrated for its ability to deliver dramatic length and definition with a rich brown shade. This mascara is designed to enhance the natural beauty of your lashes while providing a bold, eye-catching look. Key features: they're real. Brown features a specially designed brush with spiked bristles that help to separate and define each lash. The formula includes lengthening fibers and volumizing agents that contribute to a full, defined lash look without clumping. Benefits and usage: ideal for creating a defined and elongated lash look, this mascara is perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and pulling the brush upward for maximum length and separation. It's great for adding a touch of drama to your lashes. Usability: the mascara's brush ensures precise application and separation of each lash, reducing the risk of clumping. Its buildable formula allows for layering without compromising the clean finish. It's long-lasting and suitable for those who want defined, impactful lashes. Durability, known for its long-lasting performance, they're real. Brown mascara maintains its length and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes remain defined and bold. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. Taking our fourth spot is Clinique High Impact Mascara in Brown. The Clinique High Impact Mascara in Brown is designed to deliver intense volume and definition with a soft brown hue. This mascara is a top choice for those looking to enhance their lashes with a natural yet noticeable effect. Key features: High Impact Mascara features a large brush that helps to coat each lash evenly and build volume. The formula includes conditioning agents that help to nourish and strengthen lashes while enhancing their length and separation. Benefits and usage: ideal for achieving a bold yet natural lash look, this mascara provides impressive volume and definition with each coat. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and sweeping the brush upward for a fuller, more defined effect. It's suitable for both daily wear and special occasions. Usability: the mascara's large brush design ensures even application and separation of each lash. The buildable formula allows for customizable volume without clumping. It's easy to use and perfect for those who want to achieve a clean, impactful look. Durability: known for its staying power, High Impact Mascara in Brown maintains its volume and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes stay bold and defined. Removal is simple with a gentle makeup remover, making it a convenient choice for daily use. And finally, at number 5, we have Tarte Maneater Mascara in Brown. The Tarte Maneater Mascara in Brown is renowned for its ability to deliver dramatic volume and length with a rich brown color. This mascara is designed to enhance your lashes with a bold yet natural finish, making it a popular choice for those seeking high-impact results. Key features: Maneater Mascara features a unique brush design with tapered bristles that help to coat each lash evenly and define them. The formula includes a blend of nourishing ingredients and volumizing agents that contribute to a full, defined lash look without clumping. Benefits and usage: perfect for achieving a bold, defined look, this mascara offers impressive volume and length with each coat. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and sweeping the brush upward for a fuller, more dramatic effect. It's suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. Usability: the mascara's brush design ensures precise application and separation of each lash. The buildable formula allows for layering without compromising the clean finish. It's long-lasting and ideal for those who want to make a statement with their lashes. Durability: known for its exceptional staying power, Maneater Mascara in Brown maintains its volume and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes remain bold and defined. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best brown mascaras. Whether you're looking for a subtle enhancement or a dramatic look, these mascaras offer a range of options to suit your needs. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.